This is gonna be my first of more to come client tutorials. Watch me achieve this bronze glowy glam. And here you just see me lightly filling in her brows with a brow pencil. I'll have the exact products in the description box, but that is the benefit for slicing my brow pencil. I don't want to wait too long. 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 Now here you see me just cleansing her skin using micellar water. She really didn't need this, but I prep all my clients this way just to ensure a smooth face. So now I'm going in with some hylaronic acid serum just to kind of soften, plump, and smooth her skin. And then I followed up with some moisturizer, but honestly her skin was super nice, really easy to work with, super buttery, so it made everything really easy. It's only you and me. I also wanted to note that when I was applying the serum, I patted it in. I feel like you get better results that way. I don't really know this to be a fact, but just from personal experience, that's what I've learned. I see you so much in my dreams. We could have worked it out. Now I'm just applying a Skin Fix eye cream. You don't need that one. You can use any hydrating eye cream, but I'm applying it with my ring finger because that's how you should be applying your eye cream, just to prevent any creasing and give a smooth finish to her under eye. And here you see me painting the foundation on. I think it makes blending easier and it gives a more even coverage personally. Those two shades that I used were really pretty far from her skin tone, but I really wanted to use the Backstage foundation, so I just mixed them till I got to something close. It was a little too light, but I still made it work. So now I'm just applying her cream bronzer. I used the e.l.f. Halo Glow. I'll put the shade in the description, but I also followed up with a Juvias Place shade stick. That one, I don't remember which one I used, but it just wasn't dark enough for me, so I just deepened it up a little bit. So I laid and blended my first layer of concealer off camera, and then I went in with another concealer about 1 to 2 shades lighter than the first, and I applied it directly underneath her eye, not the whole under eye area. And then I went ahead and let that sit to build up the coverage while I applied and blended the liquid blush. That's on me. My hot nigga check my degrees. Know my bitch in my teeth. I came through it like 3. Shit brought like 10. Would've came through with the ease. Rolling all night. Session the queen. So you see me take the same brush that I blended the blush with, and then I went back and blended her under eye. It's gonna give the blush a nice seamless finish into the under eye, and it's just gonna look really natural and pretty.
Just let me know, Rick. Okay. Literally let me know. Like, you already know.
Probably I can come up with like a Halloween party.
Yes. Oh.
Yeah, that gotta be fun.
Okay, so Alex, he be telling me, my boyfriend. He be like, I don't want you to go to another Halloween party. He let me go to the last one.
Ah, why? He's controlling.
We went to Raven just wasn't nowhere to be found. She kept walking around different places doing stuff, so we couldn't even talk to her.
I'm just gonna give it a quick little blend right under her eye. I always do that right before I apply powder because you don't want to set creases. Now I'm just using a Morphe palette to warm her skin up. We want this to be bronzy, warm, dewy, so yeah, that's what we're going for.
But a beast like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shut over my cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch Chanel. Will you be my leading?
Now I'm going in with this orange blush from Juvias Place as well. I wanted it to match the blush. Also, like I said, bronzy, so warm tones, and it actually goes really well with her skin tone.
Only been days, but it feel like months. Wake up for you and you like once.
So off camera, I also threw some bronzer on her eyes, and then I'm taking this Jlarue white gold pigment, and I'm just gonna tap that on her eye. It's gonna give a really pretty shimmer to the eye. That's gonna look like we tried really hard, but obviously we didn't because it was really simple.
I love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I got myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Then I'm going in with this really dark brown eyeshadow. I'm not really giving her a wing, just kind of adding some dimension to the eyes because it was one shade.
Kill me.
Girl, you were stressing me out. I mean, I should never fix this, but you stressed me out so much.
Reagan, it's fine. I don't care.
I care.
Okay, I'm gonna be serious for the rest of it.
Yes.
Rest of the time, serious. No movements, nothing.
Okay, don't laugh.
It's you.
Stop laughing.
I'm so sorry, ma'am.
You should be. Oh my gosh.
I gave Reagan a challenge.
Yes. Oh my god. Now don't be laughing at me.
Okay.
I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the one, but used to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for love, but you pull up when I call. All the hood niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me. You bluffed on them, now we mad because you let me go. If it ain't fucked up, don't change it. I'd probably be dead if I was basic. You still give me head if I had day shifts. I work when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want, I call her my what she want. Wash it off when you top me off, you know I be stoned.